Quick video today about the resale value of a roof project. Well, a lot of people think that once they pay for a roof, that money's gone. They spent it. You know, it's just sort of the cost of home ownership. Well, it's not really the case. Remodel Magazine puts out a report every year called the Cost vs. Value Report. That's what we're looking at now. They break it out into region, and they break down about, I think it's 25 different home remodel type projects. They look at the average cost per project and then the average return on investment for each of those projects. Well, this is last year's, and San Diego is such a big market that they actually have its own report. That's this one. And they talk to, geez, I think it's 2,000 or 3,000 construction companies, real estate offices, and appraisers to put this report together. And it just goes through project by project. Backyard patio, average cost is $63,000. Resale value $35,000, so you recouped 55% of it. So you're spending money on that one. Here's a good one, entry door replacement, $1,500, return on investment $1,900, so it's 123% return on investment. And then here's garage door, that's $115, that's a big one, not a big project, but a big return. Well, if we go down to roofing, that's what this video is about. Roof replacement, mid-range, nothing too fancy, but not a cheap one either, $23,753. And then resale value is $26,561. So it's 111% return on a pretty good sized project. All the other ones that are over 100 are smaller, simpler projects. This one, a minor kitchen remodel, you break even basically. But this one's an actual increase in your resale value, and there's a number of reasons why. The National Association of Realtors says that the number two, or the two most common items requested to replace are painting and flooring, no big surprise. But a lot of people don't think the third most commonly requested after the inspection replaced item is a roof project. It's a daunting process, you know, people don't know what it costs, that kind of thing. They don't know the life of the roof. No one keeps records of those kind of things. Well, the benefit, if you look at it this way, before you sell your home, redo the roof, because you'll actually get all that money back plus some, according to this report. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about doing a roof, thinking about selling, thinking about buying, all those kind of things. Really helpful report. Thank you.